Hey YouTube, how you doing? Today we're working on a Stihl FS55RC, which is a residential model string trimmer. Biggest difference between this and the FS85, which is a commercial, is the commercial doesn't use a cable for the shaft like the RC does. What I have to do is I went to use this last year, and it worked several times, but the primer bulb has developed a crack, and it's a pretty good one. It's actually torn open there on top. You can see what the fuel does to it. A mixture of oil and gas will discolor it, and then whatever 10% ethanol blend will just do its best to ruin it. And I've had these primer bulbs last really indefinitely. But since the advent of ethanol, I've found that they really don't work that long before they fail. So let's get changing this. So what I'm doing is there's 4 screws that hold on this metal plate, and I'm going to try to remove 4 of the screws without having to remove this throttle cable. A little difficult to get to with the throttle cable, but so far so good. So we're just gonna see if we can move that throttle cable just a little bit. There's just 2 more, and these are easy to access. Up and out, there we go. Alright, so here's our metal cover with the 4 holes and screw. Here's our primer bulb. You can see that's all nasty. Our little nipple. He said nipple. And it looks good. Looks clean. And we're going to put our new Echo fuel bulb, which also fits the Stihl right on top there. So we're good with that. Now we can start reassembly. So that goes like that. We'll get screwing, and that's all that's to it. Well, I guess I'm taking this seriously now because I'm ditching my little tripod I've been using for, well, past few years anyway, and I've upgraded to this model here, which is a Targus, and I actually got it over at Target, but it's pretty cool. It's got some really sweet features, and it wasn't all that much money, but it's lightweight, definitely a lot more rugged, and I won't worry so much if I bump into it because I've done that with this one and it's fallen over. So, alright, back to our Stihl project here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is work on the head here, trimmer head, and we're just using our nail thumb to pop off this cover. You'll take the new wire and it'll tell you which way to wrap it. It'll show you on the front here which way the line goes and an arrow. So you're sticking the line in the hole like such. So it's in there, and then you'll start bending over itself and you'll start wrapping it around. And I like to put enough wraps so it's even with this middle part, because if it goes too far out they cross over and it jams, and it's just a pain in the rear. So the line that we're using is 0.95 diameter. I bought this from my Stihl dealer. What I basically do is I take a good arm's length, you know, a good, I don't know, 6-7 feet, and I stick one end in the one hole I showed you and one in the other, so I've got a loop, and then I just wrap it around. So I do one through, I'll show you there, one through one clip, and then one through the other clip, and then I'll just cut it just like that. Then I'll just put it back in the head. out the openings. Little snaps. There we go. Alright, well, it's smoking a little bit. I put seafoam in it before I stored it, so it would start. Stihl FS55RC, ready for service. And thanks a lot for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully that helps some of you. We'll catch you in the next video.